How did a small-town kid get here? I started from scratch and started over again. I found lessons in losses, strength in setbacks, and replaced self-doubt with self-care. This has always been a journey. It was never about starting off perfect. It was just about starting. So I started leaning on others to teach me how food can heal, and how you can only put out your best when you care about what you put in. Because we all need to perform, not just for ourselves, but for the ones who depend on us. And even though your path might look different from mine, you just need to find the right support from people who understand what you need. Because I'm not your average Joe, and neither are you.